because say I am same Kaswa elections no secretary no omo mu and basabasa NDC no omo mu and Hawa Koomson and the police for has to investigate it. Now some investigating Hawa Koomson the law has to deal with Hawa Koomson. But wait omo investigate here and my say Hawa Koomson the kum sa omo mu during the 2024 elections. Now why should you 20 metro men mabodam and member 20 na mujagu Hawa Koomson so beja ma me mo papa mu nua ma mo ofie na mujagu ne so mo ma fa be ye di wo fom mo ma sam e be to mo ma
it ever pass a see the man of constituency black by election between honorable Ekwe Free and honorable Ewabna. I say independent people through possible ba be po Hawa Koomson and some MPP squad better omo hormone honestly issue by no is the NDC ni bia obeka fun bia o defend everyone party pending for NDC party food soldier is o bia e defend o ma so fo nyina e defend na omo ba ku bi ababon ta for TikTok gender minister or your babesia was it Debbie ade a ekos na this for defend there we do on the party members ho ya na do we no e shame eni se obi akwa e defend sankwase asebi how you can block media let's say any day over like video no that mo subscribe button somewhere the notification call pages update na ba chere wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section let's also baswa no she no for say enya be action it is Friday the 11th July 2025 they see or the pound of coin after say call by election that one no out of nowhere some tax be eba horizon no mo botem o mo compare Hawa Koomson ana abo no ana o mo ko no so anasa ana face no MPP national deputy organizers no o mo ko assort no ema at the end of the day those tax no e go for cargas oh Hawa Koomson ko abo no just o mo ni age ana say o mo ni age so mo to abo Hawa Koomson Omani aje enwa issue ba ye no NDC mpani for eba ho bia no obi entman condemn e se ni gata ba ho na catro so on the ensi na nimti asema ensi wani mu a ye nyina nkran tin kan no fiti preko beka bia aha beka na obeka a chenti wa hu 20 kan wase
Oba hana ebe chino haya muke oba ebe chino haya oh stop you want to talk to him so
please nobody is talking let me come and say assessment so far so good about the NDC here yeah I'll be surprised if we don't take it okay come right some persons are buying
Malik Basintale youth president so say there be and see the hu no is okan hia enyeyi
not review to that yet. I mean, the only time I heard of assault with Hawa Koomson was the murder of one young man from Nima in her constituency, where her boys shot and killed him. That's the last time. If you type Hawa Koomson on Google now, you will see Hawa Koomson's boys killed Nima boys. We attended the funeral. I have not seen that yet. If I haven't seen, okay, you have seen. To show the camera to him, comment on it. What do you make of it? I haven't seen. I'll comment on what I have seen. Yes. And what I have seen is that Hawa Koomson's boys killed a Nima boy at Kaswa in 2024. We went and buried him. So if they say they are beating her today, I have not seen it. But if I see, she's a human being.
Sam George as communication minister, ever come once on no post issue happened in 2019. I also West will go on constituency. Essay or no, he chop slap. Yeah, but soon. No justice were not served. If justice wasn't served here, this time I'll be one of justice will not be served. How does it? Tanko computer see there be a MPP for Ankasa na Sheraman di Pababu. Hawa Koomson say when Omade by agenda. Just Obi Okasa ye piano a defender. Emma even kwan Opambo NDC so for Opambo. Ebe defender on say a pepper spray na Hawa Koomson ne koyen. Ere na kofa winya buy.
So spray pepper spray and will be a kwan. A ko be enemy boy.
Yes, a prophet. At that time,
there's a Tiamicano. What was pepper spray? I see me pay pepper spray. The go and assault. Who no kwan? It's a branch and way send or coffee, Mamma Swa. Sammy and pepper spray. Honest, a branch and spray.
Patrick Debbie.
Honest spray.
Patrick honorable Hawa Koomson.
And Ospegu wine so.
Patrick Eminent sending police for now. And
Ospegu almost. Let's say Spegu, and the other too.
What is it?
When you know who
Yes, Pacha, prophet.
it's one will be a spray goodness own what's out on that. It's a yes, I didn't know him will be and Okoto Mamma so because some ministry spray won't be. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So for the Mukasa in Munyaki, Gona Muniho.
The Pacha per video, no, what I remember.
Family Mammy.
It would be for one and a free today. A buy your pim now, I'm going to call for my son, Omunya Abuna. And yes,
Mammy needs space. What's a shower?
Now you're better about no about this year. Pepper spray, I shall buy.
Mammy, yes, sir.
What the credit election are you?
Why Mammy do that? Open the piano. Open the piano, minimum, open the piano. Open the piano. Stop holding away. Have you done the video? What am I video? What am I video? One shudder. I mean, I said this. I mean, I don't wood spray, but I brand and what's it? No, I be corny, obiti energy. But I'm in person, Munumate. We are met Pomofy, I'm in best idea. Once somebody, we are met Pomofy, I'm in best. Yes, I'm some free animal mappa.
What one for my
program? Yes, some come to the mechanic. We can be free animal program. And I can't remember. Because of Blanton, Musanya.
Mewa, we video here. Now Hawa Koomson agent baby. Anna squad near Omu A towards her. We don't go pocket and I don't say Omu A towards Omu dance Omuko Penabon. It is as self-defense and no pepper spray no spray be. What I say, it's a pombo say, and a pepper spray nuntina, and cannon. Yen Organa, John Mahama. Then there wasn't for no Omu bad as well, who could to a one to Omuko Bulikuno. Omuko 80 self-defense there. I don't know if we don't so bars up the pool, Omu tense or move, because Omu Remukrano. Police AS almost all police for quite castle. 80. Omu Baby Dibone. 89 are you expecting upon one? No person can Hawa Koomson any now. No Omu body will go Ponkuno. Ah, come on. Also, come on. What I say? For self-defense. Obedi Bona called the 2 on the Baba. So, what's up with the Bona called the 2, pepper special clip and called the 2. Just when I come to Obia Aid and Ama His Excellency the President Mahama will take our way. For 4 days, Mahama and can send Bia and farm. Now, when Anna TikTok gender minister, I'll call up Nuswa. There's a lady called TikTok gender minister. Oh, yeah, NDC.
Yeah, me TikTok gender minister. But I'm an executive of the NDC, so I'll use my platform to promote NDC. If you are snippers or parents for power, not just say what Matna say or my plan, share what I say, but can't wine was another. I'm not coming down to your level, though. Share me, there be a messy, many idea my grandma and my grandpa will sit down and question almost school fees, nay, a cow mobile, me home, true training, college, true university. Obi apply masters. I ain't check. I'm a master student. The man back from to level be the man bantawes and there are I'm here, my Gemini. I'm independent. I'm never an opportunist. Me need godmother with NDC. Me need godmother be our NDC man. Was shame to Jan, me do chia me rent, mammy. Godmother corona walk us as some someone's no boom to mocha. Move for proven, bra. Sir, I take for gender minister. As soon as you see our rent, as soon as you see our Emma Uska, as soon as you see Emma Uska, me. Yeah, campaign. Come in and my grandma pana can be cheese cardboard and what was see do remu. Who says or your wine godmother? Wine say or your wine goddaughter and wine or your godmother? I'm not like that too. I'm not an opportunist. I'm trying to me seeking help. Even when the regional minister said sending me quiet wrong line, maybe woman number wrong line and so crap. So my friend BM sending me scam. No, I'm never an opportunist. I can even count the executives that have asked them for help. The deputy secretary, I don't know, somebody in my constituency, oh, you're a very good plan, and me, so Minister Penyah, me call Professor Bacham for, and all my mister. And when my leg came serious, for you, and I call a deputy general secretary for you, no, so, and my mister. And see, you don't say me, stress I do in this me, like she, me. I'm an independent woman. I make sure dear. My grandma is okay. I'm in an provision store. Now my am called me grandma feel like life. I am provision store. I am small. Come here for car. Share. Me we can see. I'm for me grandma. I'm for wage and say ya. Also be am baby. One call my wallet come to Tom confuse. Come call me grandma. TH and then come here me wallet. What do you want to soon kasa? Me say me. I know them become who you me baha. I'm straight for you. Be me say me how I me tackle. I have a discerning spirit. That is me who I am. It's say if you open your mouth on this TikTok app, who be some Facebook. As I wonder, I say, if you women who say open to come in you, because you end up going to curse. You make a curse. When I make grandma who said, and I come home to me, my soul and so I'm coming from a church.
But on you just a sympathizer or your full soldier with sense. Now you hear Juma. There you had the apostle say a mema tinker. Baby, I be to go Baba Costo a treating bad or saying effect. But the mema na be your Babesia. A member in Ania, Jennifer, and ended the Bian Quasias, Umunas, really.
Men who say people are tagging me. I mean, I can't go in for lectures. Nah, I've seen the assault, the physical assault against Hawa Koomson. Me patrol Hawa Koomson, onye the only member of parliament here to Babasabasaye is in the constituency. A lot of MP, so me and Mema, or Musu Chintuo, Emma Basabasaye, so mu constituency, Emma Nipe Wuye, our constituency. And it is our tax no, Omu so me and Mema, they should have fought those MPP men, not a woman. This is gender-based violence, and as a TikTok gender minister, I will never celebrate this. More celebrate say Mema 20, I had so much see Hawa Koomson. More say the rate of femicide in Ghana is going on an increase, that our girl child is not safe. This is the information that we are putting it out there, that a group we are telling our boys and our men to normalize physical assault against women, and that so about a secondary school, a group of men can chase Obabaya, a group of men can assault Obabaya because if your matter said Obabaya kwa baby. This is a gender-based violence, and it's a shame to all your political parties. It is a shame to how we do politics in Ghana. It is a shame. And then the 31st July is a day that we are celebrating International African Women. Our rights, our contributions is being recognized, and then the information we are putting out in the international news is that 20 metro men assaulted an MP, an ex-MP. Or MP are losing his seats because say I am saying Kaswa elections no secretary no omo muwi and basabasa NDC no omo muwi Hawa Koomson and the police for has to investigate it. Now some investigate na Hawa Koomson, the law has to deal with Hawa Koomson, but said wait omo investigate here and me say Hawa Koomson e kum sa omo muwi during the 2024 elections. Now why should you 20 metro men mabodam and remember 20 now mujagu Koomson so meja mo ma me mo papa ne mo nua ma mo ofie na mo jagu ne so mo ma fa be ye di wo fom mo ma sam e be to mo ma ya mo so ya mo se ya gender equality ya ka gender based violence and then our actions, our out actions, politics are it's normalizing gender based violence. Why wouldn't they kill our girl child as animals? You are celebrating this nonsense things, baby. Democracy dream. Come on. We are all here preaching gender equality. We are all here fighting gender based violence. We are all here criticizing, fighting femicide, the rate of femicide in Ghana. Yesterday, very good information. The MPP Oba, NDC Oba. This is how women we have come so far so good. Now say elections as you and Crawford assaulting almost seriously and dangerously. Journalists, media personnel, a video, and Yamame Hawa Koomson. Share Hawa Koomson video na Arrow. Bema Shekataka, Batakalia, and blows, and the ball by him. And my acquire CS, I walk a womb, and my do stage by him, and what didn't say anymore. Yawaka must say to about Hawa Koomson constituency, we and our boys in the year. I didn't know more punishment be among our boys, no, I'm with the Mahawa Nankasimu. And I'm part of elections new year. Yakoya investigations, after being black man gun and information. Uncle investigation, uncle verification, now same that it's ignored them. How comes the consequences? So more prove that they are being femicide. No say an free. Where you outdoor men, you are treating an outdoor woman as an animal. Into Obabaya and Susuko diagram, and the one saw ya one more bet you to work. And your copy GH police no ku adwa, Madwanka police ni say wa mama adwa is Kamadwa so penny. What you choke say Abuba, as I do normalizing. You have not been a victim of you've not been a target for assault. As a young woman, I'm a masculine energy. This Hawa Koomson. Me, I have been a victim of assault. I have been a target for assault. I know what I am saying. But Hawa Koomson, being a target for assault attack. Yes, sir. Wanting to defend the party. Wanting say, it is an assault target. It's a target for assault. Say, the constituency, but I say, or she told them it's Wabano. You be any say, and I say. Mosolia, and a femicide, you could girl child, and Emma Kuma, and Emma treating myself more, as some Emma could jail as because of political differences, Mubominsim, she, or more a man, like a yamode. Maybe NDC, but I deal with them, my gender comes before my tribe, before my political party. Members of Castle. Let us not ruin our party trying to avenge the past. Let us eradicate violence from our democracy, and we shouldn't put our democracy at a risk, because the Gen Zs and the Alpha generation that are coming, whatever that we are doing, and they are informed decisions. This is coming from the National Youth Organizer, who is a woman, and it's very sad. We shouldn't justify violence, any form of violence. I mean, justify. Yes. Also, they did what they did to our commission to protect the ballots. The more desperate are obey for power, you put human lives at risk. And humanity and humanism more frowning against factions. Political party, church, factions are causing harm to humanity. She had to say a deal way, Oba has been abused. According to the West African Network for Peace Building, 2024 elections here, they reported 76 incidents. Out of the 76 incidents, 24 was vandalizing and then maintaining 46 were injured. 6 death was recorded in 6 constituencies, including Cholon constituency, Damango, Ayensuano, Mankrans, Ahafwano South East, Offenso North, and I would say Hawa Koomson constituency. And 2 constituencies, almost East office, that is Ayensuano and Damango. And that means MPP MPs. Say, yeah, justify said because Hawa Koomson a participation on the constituency. Then you are telling me that those 6 MPs are those 5 MPs. Hawa Koomson constituency their MPs also have to be attacked. How can you challenge discriminatory policies and practices against women? Look at our struggle for how African women, we are still struggling for equality and empowerment. 60 years of independence. We are still struggling with equality and empowerment. Charlie, if our democracy is at risk, how would our democracy functions? That means that we should come and justify it, right? It's very sad how according to the United Nations Women Organization, we reported we can use politics as a tool to fight against gender-based violence. And the UN Women Organization, African women, the rate of violence and then femicide. Nah, we all have to come together to condone violence. Violence is violence, and it's a human rights abuse. To see a woman being attacked in such manner is very barbaric. It's very disturbing and it's very sad. Why almost saying Hawa Koomson boys no? More can also say Hawa Koomson boys. It is our member 20 no Pojogu Hawa Koomson so the best target should have been Hawa Koomson boys, no, not Hawa Koomson. And abapana no shacha no shabata kalina or peja ni muna or more blows at the answer or they be Hawa Koomson yemu. We have to investigate the home. Let us go and look at the welfare of the wives, or the wife, and then a girl child, and a man, or we around him. Because publicly, look at Adia, how look at how you were going to handle Hawa Koomson. Who be body young blue. Adia, no how we did baby. We should video now, and the tax started going where our was. And I'm telling you, me, say pepper spray na ne put Hawa Koomson. Hawa bit near from the video and from the looks of things. Pepper spray, time no more bad sooner won't Johnny Nano. One done when Boba pepper spray no, and she pepper spray na, Comosana Sibuaka, how a bewu. Look at how our policemen were looking too pitiful in front of this tax. Now I am mobile. It's telling us something. Police service grab must protocol. Munsha Mumfad or Suwa. Kawamu go komo so one and community to stand na muja protocol and kamusha standard the different police nanka modify police and ya no say ne tax setting mama my out of control. 60 years of independence, technology and the modern day Ghana show an electioneering process of a by-election breeding violence, normalize the torture against women, go against the rights of women. Charlie, this shows that our democracy, our democracy is at a risk. You don't trust the rule of law again. So the problem is, any Hawa Koomson who is one and the CEO, those who died, may they also rest in peace. But some person more avenging for the death and number Hawa Koomson did yeah. Let us stop going to parliament. Let us take our 1992 constitution away. And there's nothing like rule of law near there. Look at what some of these one more positions. So she be more we are not advocates for social justice.
Let me make myself clear. To some of you stupid people that illiterate fools, I might imagine saying more opposition. I'm more party sympathizers, more agenda, so more per se more coming after me because I came in to defend Hawa Koomson, which my kind of has said, some agenda humba asem. Now say MPP NDC, I will come in because of your agenda. My accounts, my name on TikTok is the TikTok Gender Minister. My account, my account was built on gender activities, gender empowerment, equality, social justice, adult child education, women empowerment, and I mean my account it was built on. I am not an NDC TikToker, and I will never become an NDC TikToker. Moko regional minister on as NDC TikTokers, Obi Mumi. I am not an NDC TikToker. So therefore, I have the right to use my platform for anything, for anyone, for any issue that I want to say. Because when me NDC TikToker, when you open the mame bundle, me phone ngira moving to be mame da. Me phone na ide, me ana maya ala, me be phone. I don't have a godmother, I don't have a godfather. I am not into any faction or whatsoever in NDC because me, as I'm not yet no. Sana me baba be can me pepe me pay. I'm not a bootlegger. I'm not a sycophant. I'm not a hypocrite. And so, boy, now watching me who pan out TikTok now you did know. So 8,000 followers now. And you make number 2,000 account. I'm not going to mind you. I am not coming down to the level of your stupidity to take it from you. I wasn't make sure I am educated. I am a university graduate. I am a master's student. Is it easy? It's not easy. What I say, that is why my masculine energy intimidates me. And this year, Minya share school feeding na menyan. Say your mammy and a well man. Woman met Yana Mayaman. School feeding I am Ketwa. When I walk send Obinya, when I'm inside you, be school feeding Debian, so let me see Mr. President, one question, Yamima Patenting, or school feeding no. And yet easy. School back on them 500 plus. It's not easy. I'm grateful. Maybe so. I'm proud of it. I'm okay with the school feeding. My grandma is doing it. At least we are okay with the school feeding. What say the mention I say?
What I said, when is someone TikTok Gender Minister, Rebecca? What is your view on this particular issue? How you feel about it? Comment section.